So this is the Hyundai i20, and this car is provided to us by Wittebrug Hyundai in The Hague. So this is a 1-liter turbocharged engine with a 6-speed manual, and it's actually quite a fun car. So let's take it for a POV drive. So really nice to have a manual again, and as you can hear, we actually have a really nice sound. So I'll get a bit higher for the POV view. So as you can see right here. But this car is a small family car. You can compare it to the Volkswagen Polo, for instance, or the Peugeot 208. And it's actually a really nice driving car. So the steering is very light. The braking is actually instant. So we have a very nippy braking pedal right here. So the starting price of this car is around 18,000 euros. And hear this noise. I still think it sounds really nice. So we actually just made a video about the all-new Hyundai Kona hybrid. So if you want to check out that video, then check it out right here. So we are just trying different Hyundai models today, and that is the dealership. So right here we have the central screen with radio and media. So I don't think that there is a navigation built in, but we do have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which is nice. Oh, this is insane. I didn't knew that it's possible with a manual car. So if you just leave the throttle, you just do not use it whatsoever, then the car goes into sail mode and the engine just stops. And it really goes unnoticed. Really? I mean, I'm used to this system in like DSG cars with a automatic transmission, but I've never seen it in a manual car. I do have to say that I just hate it if cars do this, because I don't want the engine to just shut off in an instant. Also, if the engine is warm, I would not like to have this. So I do notice that it doesn't do it if you brake. So then it needs the vacuum of the motor to give you brake force. So yeah, but it's actually really clever, really a clever system. So actually the noise that this little 3-cylinder makes is really nice to hear, especially in a world of EVs. And the torque actually from this engine is also alright. So let's try the acceleration. Wow! It's actually faster than I expected. I'm actually impressed by this little car. Not bad at all. So we also have a 6-speed gearbox, so we actually have very low revs on the highway, which just makes this car, yeah, pretty comfortable. And the torque in 6th gear. It does take a bit of time to get some boost. But once it's going, it's actually not too bad. And we also have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, and we also have lane departure warning. So if I happen to not use my indicator and just go this way, then it will give a message, and then you will also feel it in your steering wheel. All for safety, of course. So the clutch is actually really easy on this car. And what does it do in corners? So it is a bit of a, yeah, it's not a very direct steering feel, but it is very comfortable though. But do not expect this car to be sporty whatsoever. The only sporty thing about this car is the dash, as you can see here, and the noise, of course. And the fact that you're driving a manual. So if the car goes into sailing mode and you don't want it to be, then you either press the gas. Oh no, it's not even doing that. Or you just press the brake. So and actually if you check this, no, it doesn't do anything. So on this multi-functional dash, you can also see the, like the energy of the car. So if it's charging or discharging the battery, so I guess this is a mild hybrid. So we actually have some driving modes here. So we have a button down here and the whole dash just changes like this. It does look very cool. So right now it's in sport. And I'm curious if the driving is any different. So you I think that you do feel a bit more torque in the low end of the throttle pedal, so you have a bit better throttle response, I think. Yeah, you definitely have a bit better response. The steering doesn't really change, but the dials are really cool now. They're red and fast. Yeah, and this engine is actually surprisingly torquey for such a small engine. So, guys, that is it for now. I'm actually impressed by the amount of fun you have with this car. So, this is quite a sort of cheap car. It's a small car, so it's nothing sporty whatsoever. But I do actually really like to drive it, and I think that's a very big compliment. So yeah, I actually do like it. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Ciao.